Make a great choice today with the 2014 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.